Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo laptop. This one is a Lenovo Ideapad 330-15 AST. The model name it is 81D6. That information can be found on the bottom of the laptop or inside the BIOS. And in this video I'm gonna go over and take you on step by step how you can open it up and how you can replace the mechanical drive that comes in here, which is a bottleneck to the system, with a solid state drive, and what are the capacities that you can have in here, because they do come with a 1 terabyte, I believe, or 500 gig mechanical drive, and they do have a good processor, but it really makes them go really slow because of the mechanical drive. We're going to remove that, and we're going to install the new drive. Just remember, by installing the new drive in there, you're not going to have any operating system installed in it. I recommend you to guys freshly install Windows. I made a short video how to create your Windows 10 USB boot drive. I made another video how to install your Windows on your Lenovo laptops. So follow the instruction on how to install the Windows so you don't get all those bloatwares installed on your Windows, which is the McAfee, Candy Crush, all those garbage programs that they come pre-installed in the Windows. Back up your files on external drive so you don't lose them, or on the cloud. So power off the laptop, flip it upside down, and we're gonna go over the screwdrivers I'll be using. And I picked a screwdriver set. You're gonna be using a Phillips number 1 from this tool set. If you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tools and some tweezers. If not, just grab yourself a guitar pick. And metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. With these two on hand, we're gonna get it started. So down here, all the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. You start from one corner and remove them all and keep them in one pile. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. Alright, now that we remove all the screws, what you want to do, you want to grab this empty DVD drive, or you might have a DVD drive, just pull it out. And you want to open up the laptop a little bit, and you want to stick the opening tool between the bottom cover and the palm rest, just like that, about 2 or 3 millimeters inward. And then you just want to twist it, and you want to hear those big click sounds. That's what you want to hear all around, those big click sounds. Go all the way to the back corner to the DVD drive. You do not want to do the side where you have the USB port and power jack, just to the front towards the back corner to the DVD drive here, all the way to the corner in here. And you just want to do a little tiny push on the corner by the power jack, just like that. And that's it. Now what you want to do, you want to put it down. Oh, I think I pushed too hard here and I put the hook back in. And then we unhook this guy again. There you go. So what you want to do, you want to grab it from DVD drive and you want to put your thumb on the hinge here and you want to pull it up slowly, wiggle it around, and then you can release this other side. So there's your bottom cover. And down here we can see it straight, the 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. There's no space for M.2 here. So if the question people give out, can I put an M.2 SSD? No, you can't. There's no space on it. The only M.2 is occupied with the Wi-Fi connector. And this is a special M.2 just for the Wi-Fi. You cannot even boot through here. To remove the hard drive, you do not need to disconnect the battery. It's absolutely not necessary. All you want to do is remove one screw here. No, you don't even need to remove this one. There is actually no screw needed to be removed. So you don't need to disconnect the battery. All you want to do is to grab the hard drive. Usually this one comes, there's a tiny hook on this side here, but this one is unhooked. I don't know why, but I'll try to hook it back in so you guys can know what I'm talking about. There we go. It's not even hooking in. They should hook up this one underneath, but it doesn't, so don't worry about it. Just put the opening tool in there and bring it up like that. Don't bring too much up, just a little bit 45 degree, and then pull it, slide it backward. So that way you can disconnect it. So what you want to do, you want to grab your SSD. You can put an up to 4 terabyte SSD in here with no problem. We have upgraded them. But in this case, client wants a Kingston 240 gig. I'll recommend you a Samsung brand, Samsung Evo. They are really durable. They will last many years. But if you want a cheaper one, go with the Kingston A400. It's a really cheap and they don't last long, but they're faster than any mechanical drive. So instead of putting this one in here, we need this caddy. The caddy is the bracket that holds the hard drive in place. So what you want to do, you want to pull it like this so you can unhook the hard drive from in there, bring it up, and pull it out. So there's a screw holes and the plastic goes inside the screw hole. When you remove it like this, just remember, this new hard drive has the same interface connectors. They have to go in the same place, in the same way that you remove this one. So if I remove this one this way, I'll put this one in the same way in. I hook up one side first, and then I will twist this power, make sure the screw holes goes right inside those plastic. There. And the plastic right in there. Once it's in there, I can put this one to one side, grab this one, slide it right through the connector all the way in there and bring it down. I left my opening tool down here, so you can push it down here. I'll try to push the hook right under the plastic in there, but you don't need to. There's an SSD, it can go move around, nothing will happen. There's a sponge in here that holds it in place. Right, now that you have the new drive in there, all you want to do, put the cover, you want to scoop this I/O side down in here in 45-degree angle, and then you want to push it down in here, and make sure those nice click sound. Let go of the other side, push down the front, those nice big click sound, the hooks under the DVD drive, grab the DVD drive, put it in there, and to finish it off, you just put the bottom screw. If you want to know how to install the Windows, check the links in the video description so you know how to install them. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to boot up to the Windows in case you need to. As soon as I finish putting up the screws here, I'll just insert the USB for installation of the Windows. We are going to open it up. If you see any gap openings, just pinch them together. So grab your Windows USB boot drive, place it inside one of the USB ports, power on, and you want to tap on F12. Quickly keep tapping on it until it gets you to a boot screen. This way it's going to stay black, but keep pressing F12. There we go. Inside the boot menu, you want to go up and down with an arrows until you see the USB. It says USB Samsung. Don't choose the Kingston or the EU hard drive if there's nothing in it. Use the Samsung flash drive, press enter. Now it's going to boot up through the USB and it's going to take me on a step-by-step how to install the Windows. Follow my videos so you don't get the bloatware installed on your Windows once you get in a desktop. It should take up to 5 to 10 minutes and then you have your fresh install of your Windows. As always, I hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And this is how you upgrade the storage for your Lenovo Ideapad 330-15 ASP.